In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can add a debit card to your Wise account. Now, there is no direct option for you to add your debit card. What you need to do is go through the process of adding money to your account, and during that process, you'll be able to link your card. So let's go ahead and select add money. Let's say we're going to be depositing $20. Now here I have the option that says paying with, and it shows my bank account. So in your case, it may be different, but go ahead and select change. Then you're going to scroll down, and here you have the option to select a debit card, a credit card, or a credit card. So we're going to be selecting debit card. So let's hide the keyboard here, and then you're going to go ahead and select continue. So here you can see the cards that I already have saved. In your case, you're going to go ahead and select use a new card. And then once you go ahead and add your card information, it will be saved and you'll be able to use it in the future. Now, I don't really want to add a card at this point in time. However, you should get the idea of how you can add a card to your Wise account. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.